Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Jacqueline in here with us today, who was referred in by her husband, Mauricio. And Jacqueline comes in complaining of neck and shoulder pain, tension headaches 3 to 4 times a week. Now, she's complaining something that we see quite often, but yet you don't see me treat a lot, so you're going to get a treat today. I'm going to adjust her TMJ joint. Open your jaw for us. Yep. See how it goes way down to the right, and it pops over here on her right TMJ joint too, huh? And you get a lot of headaches. Okay, so she also gets rib pain so bad that it affects her breathing. And I checked her ribs out on the examination a little while ago, and they're subluxated in the back here in the costovertebral joints, as well as up front here on the costosternal side of things. Now down low here, her pelvis has shifted to the left of center more. She's got a lot more room here. Do you see the difference now with your shirt down? Yep. So this is Jacqueline's very first chiropractic adjustment ever. Okay, let's go on your tummy. So I want y'all being nice in your comments. I see her left one there, it's coming up a little short. And then it gets even. That tightens up in your low back and pelvis, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, so we found out she's got a left SI joint misalignment, or subluxation we call them in chiropractic. So I'm going to adjust that first. And then her right SI joint. She gets pain bilaterally in her feet too, so I'm gonna take her shoes off here in a minute and adjust her feet for her too. So Jacqueline is literally going to be getting adjusted from head to toe today. I see you're even now. I bet you that feels smoother than the first one already. Does it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. You'll feel your head popping up a little bit on this one. There you go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. See, no body parts hanging off yet. Jacqueline was a little nervous coming in for her first time adjustment. Okay, slide down this way about 1/2 inch and put both arms straight out to the sides. There we go, like that. Okay, I'm gonna adjust your shoulders, your clavicles, and your interior ribs. Now these are probably going to be a little sore. There you go. Sore, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me relax your hands on your tummy for me now. Let me have your leg here. There you go. Should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your lower back. Did you?
Yes.
Okay, let me have this one too. There you go. Super. Now slide back up this way. I'm going to adjust your TMJ now. Okay, so open and close your mouth again. Now see how our mouth goes down and to the right? Go ahead and do that again. Yep. Okay, now I want you to open it halfway. Just relax, halfway. Yeah, let it go. There you go. Now open it against my hand. Told you would know it. Yep, one more time. There it goes. You feel it?
Yep.
Now open and close your mouth again. Look at that, straight as an arrow. It's not popping anymore, is it?
No.
Imagine that. Okay, I'm going to take your shoes off.
Okay.
Yeah. People know they get adjusted when they come here to Advanced Chiropractic Relief. There's never any doubt that I'm moving your bones.
I'm crazy. I just slide it off.
There you go. Okay. So I'm going to adjust your feet for you.
Okay.
This little piggy went to market. There. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Yes, ma'am. Now, she's had pain down in her heels and her soles of her feet, so a lot of people would call that plantar fasciitis. But most of the time, that is actually due to subluxation in the tarsals and metatarsals in the ankle and the feet, which I'm adjusting right now. There we go. Good. Okay, now for the big one, Jacqueline. Let's come over here.
Yeah.
What? I'll get that.
Okay.
Okay, butt right here, head up this way. There we go. So it's warming back up here in Houston. They had a cold front last few days. Huh? It's supposed to be in the 50s and 60s and 70s this weekend.
Oh, wow.
Yep. Okay. It'll be golf time for me. I haven't golfed in like 3 weeks. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Now on this one, Jacqueline, you want to keep your teeth together. You don't need to clench them or anything. Just keep them together. Breathe through your nose. Now wiggle your left ear. Wiggle your left ear for me. There you go. Good. That's all I need to do is get your mind off your back for a second. Now you should have felt that all the way down your spine. Did you? Okay. Breathe. Breathe. Keep breathing. There. I just lined your entire rib cage up in a split second with that adjustment. That should help your breathing issues and your rib pain. You have now had your very first chiropractic adjustment from head to toe, literally.
Wow.
Yep. Let's help you up here. Okay, sit right there for a second. I still gotta get your shoulders, elbows, and wrists. I can't leave anything out, or our YouTube audience will get all over. You didn't get her shoulders. There you go. You just noisy everywhere. Crack Addict's gonna love you. See there? How do you spell relief? Crack. Most people spell relief with ring dinger. There we go. I'll let you decide. You might say relief with the TMJ adjustment.
Yes. That was incredible.
Okay, stand right here in front of the mirror for me again. Now I get to shoot you after all that. Okay. Let's close your eyes for me, Jacqueline, and bend your head forward and backwards again. And then back to neutral. Take a look in the mirror right now. You square it off like a military woman. Look at the spacing now on both sides.
It's even.
Yeah, imagine that.
Wow.
Pull these up and back for me. This is your homework though. Flare these way back like this. Now your head's forward, so we want to bring it straight back. I got you. I won't let you fall over backwards. I haven't lost patient on the floor yet. I won't show you. There you go. Right there. You're going to feel another little tap right there. Okay, now relax again. And now when you bend your head forward and backwards, this should feel smoother to you than the previous one.
It did.
Imagine that. So, what would you share with our crack addict fans around the world about your very first chiropractic experience ever here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief?
Don't be nervous and just do it.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Just do
You
it.
feel less nervous now that I
Yes,
don't have your
very
head in the
much so.
basket?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Well, thank you for sharing your experience
Thank you.
with everyone on YouTube. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all next time.